cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Chrome Delete Kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Nissan Sentra and we're going to do the front chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the front panel looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire front panel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the front panel. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you do have, let's say, any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the panel, you can use tank solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto a clean rectifier towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the panels may have. And also make sure to clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or the plastic trim, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then make sure that everything's completely dry once you're done prepping. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panels. Alright, so it's just a two-piece installation, one per side. So the piece that I grabbed is for the driver's side. So just make sure to align it from one end and work your way to the other and tack it down. So just align it right on the edge. And make sure you have enough film to cover the top and the bottom section. Okay. Once you place the film, go ahead and grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film. Make sure to remove all of the air bubbles that are trapped underneath the film. And with this one, you could tuck in the film inside here. That way you have full coverage on the top section and also on the bottom as well. Just lift the film carefully, that way in case it does get stuck, you just lift it and tuck it back inside. But any extra material that you do have, you would just trim it off. Okay, so once you finish tacking down the film and removing all of the air that's trapped underneath it, go ahead and grab a heat device. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting and just apply heat. That will help the adhesive on the film activate faster and also help the curves start tacking down. And before we trim off any excess material, just make sure the bottom section, everything is being covered. Since you may have excess material hanging on the bottom, you just make sure everything's covered, and whatever you don't need, that's what you would trim off. So just go ahead, grab your blade, take out just a little bit of it, insert your blade in a small gap, and carefully just trim off the excess material that we don't need. Carefully remove it, and then you would just do this all across the panel in case you do see any excess material. And that's pretty much it. And then you would just go ahead and again apply heat. That way we help the film tack down. And that's pretty much it. And then the same steps that were done here, you would repeat it to the other side that wasn't done yet. And then once you're done with both installations, the last thing to do would be to post heat. So once you're done with the installation for the front panel, the last thing to do is to pulse heat everything. So just grab your heat device, use the lowest setting on your device, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the front chrome delete installation for the Nissan Sentra. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other kits for the Nissan Sentra. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.